In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a directory or listing website with Wix. First, go to the Wix website and sign up for a new account, or log in if you already have one. Once you are inside your dashboard, click on Create New Site to begin the setup process. Wix will guide you to the starting options for building your site. Next, choose a template that fits a directory or listing style. Look for a design that works well for business listings, local guides, service directories, or any niche you want to feature. Pick a template with a layout that gives you space for categories, featured listings, and easy navigation. After selecting your template, click Edit to open the Wix editor. This is where you will customize the design and structure of your website. Start with the homepage. Replace the default text with your directory name and a short description of what users will find on your site. Update the images so they match your niche and branding. You can also adjust colors, fonts, and sections so the site feels consistent and professional. Once the homepage is set up, add the key pages your website will need. Create a listings page where visitors can browse all entries. Add a categories page if you want to organize listings by topic, industry, or location. Then create an about page to explain the purpose of your directory, and a contact page so users or businesses can reach you. Now begin adding your listing content. For each listing, include the business or item name, a clear description, relevant images, and any details that help visitors understand what is being offered. Keep the layout clean and make sure the information is easy to scan. If your directory covers many entries, organize them clearly so users can find what they need quickly. When your content is in place, go to your site settings and connect your custom domain. This gives your website a more polished and trustworthy appearance. After that, click Preview to see how the site looks before publishing. Check both the desktop and mobile views to make sure the layout, images, and text display properly on each screen size. When everything looks good, click Publish to make your directory website live. Your site will then be available for visitors to access online. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.